So to do that, so first I will go for a sketch, then I will go to the top plane, and then I will draw a circle of diameter 60. Okay, and also you have a two extrusion height of 60. So I'll go for a circle, select some arbitrary point, and then go to coincident plane on this to this. Go to diameter, select this, give the diameter as 60, enter, go to finish sketch, go to extrude, select this, give the dimension as 60, click on OK, and now go for a sketch. Again I will take the top plane and draw one more circle here and draw a radius of 25, which is at a distance of 75. I'll go for a sketch, record the top plane again, and I'll go for a circle and draw one circle. I will go for horizontal, select between these two, and then I will go for dimension, go for dimension, select this dimension to be 50. And give it dimension between this and this, give the dimension as 75. Click on enter. Then give the height as 15 mm. Extrude. Go to extrude, select this, give the dimension as 15. Then click on OK. Then go to sketch, click on the top plane again. Then here I want to draw a line here from here to here. That is, I need to do that. I'll go for a sketch. So I take the top plane and I'll go for a project, click on body and say OK. And I'll go for a line and select some arbitrary line and then draw a line of any length. Similarly, on this side also, I will draw a line of any point and I will draw a line here. And then I will go for tangent, select on this line to this circle and similarly this line onto this. And now I'll go for a trim option, go to trim, select on this side and also on this side. Then I want this coincident point, this on, so I'll go for coincident, select on this, go for coincident, select on this point to on this. Okay. And I will select this and I will drag this out here. Similarly, I will select this and I will try to drag this. Okay. So here I will just delete this. Okay. Just delete this. I'll go for a line. Draw a line from here until this point. And I will go for a horizontal or vertical. You make it vertical. And then go to tangent. Take tangent this line to this circle. Okay. Then I want coincident this point onto this circle. I go for horizontal or vertical, select this one. And now I go for coincident this point onto this circle. Similarly, this point onto this circle. And I will try to take this inside. Okay, I'll select this, go to select this line, and I will try to move this in this one. I'll go to the bodies and disable bodies, and then go to select this, and I will try to move inside, and go to coincident, select this point onto this circle. Yeah. Now I'll just go for a sketch and go to 3D, go to extrude, select on this profile. So it's not taking here. So I'll just go for a edit sketch, go to cancel. Just go to edit sketch. Okay. Now once you have this, and I want to create this particular portion, and I will just go for circle, create on this circle, and I will draw this. The diameter is 50. Go to dimension, take the diameter as 50, and go to concentric on this side with reference to this. And I will go for a trim, select on this side, trim this portion, go to finish sketch, and go to extrude. Again, it's not taking, that is basically because this is the point which you need to understand. I just go to the bodies, and I will try to trim this particular portion. Okay. So I will go to edit sketch. Okay, now I will go for removing bodies, and I will go for a circle. Select on this circle onto this point, and now I will go for a trim. Select on this side. Similarly, I will go for a circle from this point onto this circle from here to here, and then I'll go for trim on this portion. Okay, then I'll go for finish sketch, then I will go for bodies, go to extrude. Still it is considered. Why? Okay, or I will just delete this sketch again. Okay, now we go for sketch, click on the top plane, that is on this top plane. Now I want to take up this portion now. Okay, this portion I want to take now. So I will just go to project, select on this body and also on this body, and say okay. Now I'll go for a line. I will draw one line from here to here, and similarly I will draw one more line from here to here. Okay. Now I will go for horizontal, this line, and then I want tangent. This circle, go for tangent. This line should be tangent to this circle. Similarly, this line should be tangent to this circle. Now we will go for coincident. This point should be on this line. Similarly, this point should be on this circle. Then I will go for trim, select this portion and this portion. Now once you do that, now you go for finish sketch and go for extrude, select this portion. Nice. Now you take the dimension for this as 15. Take the dimension as 15 here. And then I want to join this particular portion. Then the next thing is here I want to create this rectangle and extrude it on either side. So to do that, I will just go for a sketch which is on the front plane. Then I want to create this L shape. I will go for a line. I will draw a line from where? It is from the center. I will draw one line from the center. Okay. I will take this point. Okay. Then from here I will take to the top. Again from here I will draw a line. From here I will draw one line. And then from here I will draw one more line and I will take this to this portion. Okay. I will remove bodies. I will just go for horizontal or vertical on this side. Then I will go for bodies. Click on project. Select this entire body and say OK. Now you remove bodies. You have this particular portion. I want both should be on the same line. Okay. So now we have this particular portion. So then I want this thickness to be 15. So go to dimension. From here you take 15. Okay. Then from the base is how much? No, we are given from the top. It is 60. Okay. So here I want from this top, this dimension is 45. Okay. And both should be collinear. And you take collinear, this line should be collinear to this line. Okay. Now the top portion is over. Then from the center to this line, it is 60. Correct? Very good. So I will just show for dimension from this point to this point. So go for dimension from this line to this line, it is 60. Okay. Then again, from here to here, it is 15 dimension. This dimension is to be 15. Okay. Now everything is settled now. So now I'll go for a finish sketch and go to 3D and then come down to this and go to extrusion, select on this profile and as well as on this profile and then go to symmetric one side, don't take one side, go to symmetric and take this entire length and what should be the thickness of that? That is totally 60. So you give 60 mm here and then I want to join this portion. Okay. Don't cut it, go to join and even this one also I need to select. Okay. Select this one also. Okay. Once you do that, now you're going to have this entire portion. Now, the next thing is I want to create the rib now. So here I want to create this particular rib. To do that, I will just go for a sketch, click on the top surface. Now I'll go for project, select on this body and say OK. Now we have this body. Okay. Now I will draw a rectangle now. I will take some rectangle of any size. Okay. Then I will go for a circle which having a diameter 60. So I'll go for a circle. I will take will draw a circle from this point to this, which is the diameter. Correct? Then I need to take the dimension. I will take dimension from, I will, first what I need the coincident of this point onto this line. Okay. So now we have this portion. Then this coincident point. Okay. Now let us see. And then I want to go for coincident. This point onto this section. Okay. So once you do that, so I have the dimension from this point to here. What is the dimension? It is 25. So you take this dimension to be 25. Enter. Then this overall width is 10. So dimension from this point to this line, you take 5. Okay. And naturally this dimension, it is to be 10. Okay. So once you have this, now I will go to enable bodies and then I will go for finish sketch and go to 3D. Okay. Then come down to modify, click on split face. Click on faces to split on this side and also onto this side. And then splitting tool is this one. Okay. Then click on OK. Then you come down to sketch, enable all the sketches here. Okay. Okay. Yes. Again, I will repeat the same. Yeah. Okay. Well, if there are any bodies, all these switches I have enabled, but still this is, I can see this. Okay. So now I will just go for locked. Click on modify, go to locked. Locked is in this or in create, I'll go for locked. Select on this surface. It's not it. Yeah. Select on this surface onto this surface and click on OK now. So once you do that, now we have this rip section which has been done here. So I will disable all these switches now. The next thing is I want to create one more here on the similar lines. I want to create this, but here you can take it directly. That is the advantage what I have. I'll just go for a sketch, click on the top surface, then I will go for click on project, click on this body and say OK. Then I will remove bodies and you try to create a rectangle. Okay. And I will go for a rectangle and I will select some point and then I will go to draw this line. Okay. Then this dimension is 50. Yes. Then you enable bodies. Then I want this point projected onto this line. Yeah. Now we have this entire thing. Then what is the thickness? It is again 10. So dimension from this point to this line, you make it 5. Okay. Then this line is to be 10. Okay. Then I will go for finish sketch and go to 3D and enable the sketch and I will go for extrusion, select this profile, then come down to distance to object onto this surface and click on join. Now you will enable this. Okay. Once you do that, now you can see in 3 dimension. Yes, all are been considered and merged with the curvature of this particular circle. Once you do that, now we want to go for the holes what I need to create. So there is one hole here and one more hole here first. We'll create the diameter hole, bigger diameter hole. Go to create, click on hole. Okay. Click on the top surface and I want to give the diameter as 40. Then I will take the distances through all. Then click on concentric out of this and say OK. Similarly, on this side, I want to create a hole of radius 10. So again, that means diameter 20. Go to create, click on hole. Now here you take the on this surface what the diameter is, radius 10 means it is 20. Okay. Then again you distance is through all. Then you take the concentric to this circle and say OK now. Then similarly go to 3 dimension. Now you create one more hole which is 15 from here and if this is 30, then if this is 30, then what is this dimension from this hole to this hole? Okay. So if it is 30 means this is 10. So that means I want to create, this is 10. So from the center it is 30. From here it is 15. So it is from this center to this side it is 17.5. Correct? Yes. Correct. 17.5 from here. 17.5 from here means it is from here it is 12.5. Okay. Yes, 12.5. Or else you can do, you take 60 minus 35 means 60 minus 35 means it is 25. That means from this side it is also 12.5. Yes. Now I'll go for create and I'll go for a hole. Click on this particular surface. So what is the diameter of the hole? The diameter of the hole is 16. So take the diameter of the hole as 16. Okay. Then distance is through